Last video we talked about the molecular basis of inheritance. So that DNA is the molecular basis of inheritance. Today we have another question here. What is the shape of the DNA molecule? What is the shape of the DNA molecule? Now, let's look at the structure of the DNA molecule. I have a video I uploaded recently. You can check it out to see the structure of the DNA molecule. Today we are talking about the shape, but I have a video I made for the structure of the DNA molecule, so you can look it up for it. So let's go back to our question. What is the shape of the DNA molecule? Now, the DNA molecule has this shape. So we can say spiral, but it is called double helix. Double helix. So this is the double helical shape of the DNA. It's not complete. Then we have the bases. We have the bases pairing. We have the base pairs. So we have a lot of million base pairs here to form the DNA molecule. Now, this is the double helical structure. It is like a twisted ladder. Two ladders, but twisted together. So that is the shape of the DNA molecule. Now, notice here, we have two strands. We have this strand and we have this other strand. These two strands of the DNA, they are not exactly the same. We have four bases here that pair together, and their pairing pattern is predictable. Now we have the adenine, designated A, we have the thymine, we'll have the cytosine, and then we'll have the guanine. A will always bind to T, and C will always bind to G. So we know this, and this is the format. Now look at these two strands. This and this are not the same. This is having T, G, just like that, and this is having A, C. T and G and A and C are not the same. But the thing is that they are complementary. They are complementary. They are complementary strands. They complement each other. What does it mean to be complementary? It's just like akara and bread. Nigerian students will understand what I'm saying. Akara and bread are not the same thing. But if you bring akara and bread, the two of them will complement each other and give you a very nice sandwich. It's also like the sperm and the egg cell. We have the sperm and the egg cell. Okay? So when the sperm cell meets the egg cell, the both of them fuse. They are nucleus. They fuse together. So is it they kind of also complement each other? Is the sperm cell the same with the egg cell? No, but they are both gametes. So here we have two strands of the DNA. We have this and this, and they are not the same. They are not exactly the same. This one has different sequences, have different T, C, A, G, all of that. This one has, but they always complement because the A binds to T, the C binds to G. So anywhere you see A, you see a complementary T binding to it. Anywhere you see C, you see a complementary G binding to it. So they form a kind of complementarity. So these two strands of DNA are not exactly the same, but they are complementary. They complement each other. So let's review again. We said that what is the shape of the DNA molecule? The shape of the DNA molecule is the double helix. And this is the structure of the double helix. This is the structure of the double helix. And we also say that this structure has two strands. Two strands. These two strands are complementary, meaning that they are not exactly the same, but they complement each other. They complement each other by pairing up A binding to T and C binding to G. Check out some of our videos on our genetics playlist where we explain the structure of the DNA, and keep following our selfie series. We'll continue to make more videos like this that will aid you through your academic journey. Thank you.